From the word perpetual, forever na po ang number of periods natin dito sa topic natin na perpetuity. So wala na tayong number of periods kasi magiging infinite na siya. So ano nang mangyayari sa formula pag infinite na ang ating letter n? Di ba from ordinary annuity formula, take note guys, ang perpetuity, ang bayaran dito ay every end of the year or end of the period. Hindi beginning ang beginning of the period lang ay annuity due. Lahat ng types of annuity, end of the period, except annuity due. Okay? So, ang perpetuity, nakuha ang formula niya sa ordinary annuity guys. Kasi, ina-assume niya na nag-deposit ka sa period 1, okay? Or the end of the first year or first period. And then tuloy-tuloy na yan forever na. Okay? Pero actually, tutusin, pwede rin maging deferred itong perpetuity. Mag-antay ka muna ng ilang taon bago mo simulan ng bayad, pero remember, forever pa rin yan at walang katapusang bayaran. Once na nag-start ka, perpetuity pa rin yun. End of the year period pa rin yun. And pwede din maging annuity due ito pala. Pero ang default niya kasi end of the year. Parang wala kasi akong na-encounter personally na beginning of the period. Pero according to its concept, pwede pa rin. Pwede pa rin annuity due ito. Magbayad ka during the beginning of each period pero forever. Pwede naman. So okay, back to this derivation. So, mayroon tayong ordinary annuity formula. Di ba yung n natin ay walang hanggan, kaya gawin natin forever, maging infinite po yan. Kung infinite po ito, maging 9999999 yan. And, ang mangyari, subtract mo na yan sa 1. And then, ang ito guys, malalaking number, almost 1 pa rin yan. Kasi almost parehas sila ng value. Kaya kung maging ganyan, maging 1 over I, and then maging ganito na formula niya. Ganun lang kadali. And ang future value ay walang kabuluhan. Kasi walang future dito. Yan. Maging infinite pa rin. Kaya walang compilation dito guys sa future. A lang na future ang meron. At P na original value, okay? Example, a charitable foundation plans to establish permanent scholarship fund that will provide 18,000 at the end of every quarter forever. The fund earns 7.2% nominal interest compounded monthly. So guys, take note, magpro-provide daw ang charitable foundation ng 18,000 every end of the quarter forever. And then, ang interest rate niya ay compounded monthly. Hindi sila nagtutugma, kaya kailangan natin i-convert ulit yung compounded monthly into compounded quarterly. And then, determine the amount of money that must be deposited today to finance the scholarship indefinitely. Ang ibig sabihin ng indefinitely, forever pa rin yan. So, ano daw ang i-deposit natin na malaking halaga dito? Para maging self-sustaining ang ating pera. At kahit na hinahayaan natin, kahit na binabawasan natin ng 18,000 every end of the quarter, hindi pa rin nauubos ang pera natin. Okay, so ang mangyari, convert muna natin yung compounded monthly into compounded quarterly para makuha natin si compounded quarterly na interest rate. Then gamitin na natin ang formula ni perpetuity dito. Ilagay ko na si I dito, maging ganyan. And remember, i-divide natin yan by 4 kasi compounded quarterly. I-divide natin ang interest rate natin by 4 kasi 4 na beses siya mag-interest every year. Okay? So, after that, magiging ganito siya. Ganun lang kadali guys. Same din dito sa number 2. An investor purchases preferred shares that promise to pay 3,500 at the end of every month forever. The investor requires a return of 9% nominal interest compounding quarterly. Ayun na naman. Kailangan natin i-convert ang compounded quarterly sa compounded monthly kasi every month ang ating bayaran. na 3,500. Determine the maximum amount the investor should pay for the investment today. Okay, so magkano daw ang i-invest daw ni investor na P para self-sustaining ang pera, at kahit na nagwi-withdraw tayo every month ng 3,500, hindi pa rin nauubos ang pera forever. Maging ganyan. Okay, i-convert natin muna compounded quarterly into compounded monthly. After that, kunin natin yung interest rate, then ilagay natin sa I, and then i-divide natin by 12 kasi i-distribute natin yan per month. Okay, after that, maging ganito na. Ganun lang naman kadali ang perpetuity, guys. Salamat sa pakikinig.